Central America, but Groucho has lived with people his entire life, and he's learned to take mimicry to a whole new level. All right, buddy, ready to show him what I mean? Here we go. The words to 7 different songs.
What?
He sure does. Yeah, y'all want to hear another song? Yeah. Well, Groucho, they're awfully sweet. How about you give everybody here a great big kiss? Oh, good stuff, that kiss. I agree. Now, Groucho, everybody here wants to hear you sing another song. And you can pick any song you like. Are you ready?
Most things I've heard on American Idol. He's amazing.
Yeah, he is.
Anybody would want a bird like that.
Well, I can definitely see why you would say that. I mean, Groucho